StrawbArie's at StrawbArie, and today we're going to be doing fall. I'm going to make my room fall themed. Is this hat too much? I don't know. But I thought it'd be kind of cute to make my house into an abandoned house. You know, it's kind of Halloween-y. Since I'm Christian, I don't want to make it too dark. So that's kind of good. I'm not going to do any ghosts or anything, but it's going to be cute. Trust me. It's going to look like a zombie apocalypse type thing. Okay? I got boards and everything. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what we have, okay? So I'm probably going to hang this thing up somewhere on my cabin. I don't know where. Maybe like the side or like out front or right here. Somewhere. We're going to put it somewhere, okay? If you guys don't know, I had that in my old house. Okay. I think this hat's a little bit too much. Let's take it off. Or let's just change it because I like this one better. Yeah, it looks a lot less like dumb, you know? Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear people talking in the other room. I'm sorry if you can. Okay. So first I got this little gnome. You know it's a fairy house, so we gotta have our little gnomes. I'm gonna put him probably over here somewhere. We're gonna figure it out, okay? It's just a haul first, and then I'll show you guys the tour when it's all done. And the DIY part. This part I'm most excited about because we got a pumpkin pillow, but we also got a mushroom pillow. So the idea is for the theme to be mushrooms, just because, you know, mushroom table, mushroom mat, mushrooms. You know, everything's mushrooms in here, so that'd be a little fairy core girl. Oh, and mushrooms, I don't know if you can see that. Mushrooms. Papogius hoops. Okay, next part. This thing I got for free from my church, they gave it to me. And it says, Fall for Jesus. He never leaves, and it has little pumpkins on it. So I'm gonna hang that inside my little cabin. Yee! Can you see my little fireplace back there? Love it. Okay. And then I got this little squirrel from Hobby Lobby. And we're gonna put him somewhere on top of the roof. So like sitting up here, or like hanging out right here. Oh, that would be cute, wouldn't it? I feel like he's climbing up. That's cute. I like that idea. I'll have to find a way to hang it though. As I said, I'm doing a mushroom theme, so we got a mushroom from Hobby Lobby. But I've been hunting for this thing. Well, I lost a bunch of stuff, but I've been hunting for this thing for literal years. Mushroom blanket. It only comes out in the fall time. Like I said, fall theme. This might be my actual new blanket that I use. I love it. Okay, so that's going on the bed. Okay. Oh no, fall leaves. That's gonna go on top of the cabin to look like there's fall leaves on it. Oh. And you know, I have that Christianness. Blessed. But the reason I like this so much, if you look closely, they're mushrooms. See? Because I'm definitely blessed. I mean, my blessings may have been temporary, but I still have them, you know? So, love it. You guys just saw how much it was. It's fine. Okay. So this might go over here. Either that or inside the cabin. We'll figure it out by the end of it. Ooh, my favorite part. Hopefully that needs to break. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and you know it's forest themed, so I had to get it. It lights up. We'll figure that out, and I might put it like on top of the mushroom or something cute. But I'm gonna put inside that plant pot. Maybe I should just put nothing in there. Maybe fall leaves. Maybe I don't know. It's just spider webs. Make it empty. Put some pumpkins in there. We'll figure it out. But it's gonna be an abandoned house. So I don't know why we have pumpkins. Okay. Don't click off the video. I know I have a lot of Christian stuff, but this is cute. Oh. I'm very obsessed with God, okay? Blessings. Oh, blessings. I can't see it on the screen. Blessings, and it's a little, of course, the sticks. You gotta do nature, you know? And that'll probably be hung in the cabin or somewhere. Cutesy. A little crucifix. Just keep you away. Back off, evil. Now, I got things for my little setup. So if you guys know, I have my little fairy houses that are flowers. It's not gonna work for fall, because you know, they die. So, we got, this one might be forever, a mushroom, and it lights up in the middle. I'm gonna turn it on, but it lights up inside, and you can tell that somebody's home. It's cute. See? Lights up. My dog wants in here. I'm walking with a bag on my foot. Anyway, that's not all. Another one that lights up. It's a pumpkin house. Look how cutesy. Even has a little moss on it like all my other crap. I want to tell you, my room smells like grass. I put that moss on the mirror and apparently it's real. Yeah. The dogs have literally been going up to him. I'm like, no. Because they think it's fake. They're like trying to eat it because they eat grass, you know. I don't know. Crazy. Alright. Yeah, I'm telling on you. Now I also got stuff to decorate them with, like this little corn thing. These little pumpkins and just different types of gourds. A pumpkin wagon. Look how cutesy. More gourds and pumpkins. Can't have too many pumpkins. I got a lot of stuff, as you could probably tell. Okay, I just want to tell you, I started shopping for this stuff, I think, in June. You can never get fall stuff too early. So I got haystacks, or hay bales, or whatever you call it. Hay bales. Alright. Now, with the mushroom thing, I found this. Guys, the little mushroom lights. I hang it on my cabin. But wait, you see that light right there? We got an alternative, right? Boom. That's happening. So, I also got, okay, I'll tell you guys the idea for the house, the creepiness later. But right now it's just fall theme, like little cutesy, you know, like Thanksgiving, blah, blah, blah. I'm a fall baby, I was actually born in fall, but okay. This, because you know, your girl needs her favorite color. This is probably gonna go in my green little fairy chair. Even though there's a bunch of crap in it right now, it'll go in the chair. It'll match. Cute. I think so. Okay. And I have this little blanket. It's flannel, you know me, flannel, and it's my favorite color. And I might actually use it as my normal blanket, but for now, it's going to be sitting in my chair. You know, because I get cold or anything, and it will match the theme, and it'll match my chair. So yeah. Before you know it, I'm going to use it every single blanket that we have for the decorating as my normal blankets. And it's going to be like a big thing of blankets, because it's going to have mushroom blanket, green flannel blanket, that blanket, and then my Christmas blanket, because I love them all, and I just can't get rid of them. I'm not going to get rid of it, but, you know, still. Okay. And also, a long time ago, Gabe gave me this for Christmas, and I never really knew what to do with it. It's a little bat thing, because I used to be obsessed with bats. Sadly, I'm not anymore, but you know, it might be cute. We'll figure something out with that. And then I have this that I've had for a while but never really got to use it. I used to be obsessed with white pumpkins. If you want to know why, it's a stupid reason. Minecraft story mode. Shh. Okay, now on to the fun part. So I got some planks from like abandoned stuff. What we're gonna do is make that look abandoned and put it on my window somehow. Maybe like set it on the basket or something, because I'm not gonna just like ruin the cabin with it. But I also got little decorations for it. So, oh, that's not for it. This thing is for a trunk or treat. Okay, hold on. This is for it. So, you know, you always gotta go to the DG and get some cheap stuff. This is literally $5. The dollar thing. See that? That's gonna go draped over the thing, make it creepy. But then we also got fake cobwebs, and of course we need more cobwebs and spiders. I'm going to use the normal spiders because the rest of them just look tacky. And I got some caution tape. There's not actual caution tape. Now, I wanted to use this because it has a picture of a haunted house on it, and it says "Do not enter." See? But I do have another caution tape. But I just didn't think it felt appropriate for a haunted, not a haunted house, but a abandoned house. I'm not trying to make it haunted, you know. Either way, it's Halloween. But I'll show you guys the other caution tape because I'm not gonna use it. I'll probably sell it, to be honest. And then the book bag, you know, book bag. Sorry, I had to do it, you know. Book bag. You guys who watch the Underestimated Pro would know what I'm talking about. Okay. You know, book bag. All right. This, okay, wow, you can't really see what it says, can you? I don't really want to unravel it to show you either, but I'll try. I might sell this, so. Oh, I don't want to mess up my nails. I got a photo shoot tomorrow. I don't want to mess up my nails. Well, anyway, it says yandere alert, okay? Yeah, wait. You see the ERE. Alert. Is somebody in trouble? My spidey sense is tingling. No, I'm not even joking. I heard somebody yelling. Okay. If you guys have any more ideas for a abandoned house, tell me in the comments because I will apply it. But it doesn't mean that I'll include it in the video because, you know, it'll be over. But okay. So one says, hello fall. The other one says, hey there pumpkin. Don't you love fall? And then she says, let's stay in pumpkin. It's like a conversation. You're the apple of my pie. I'm a freaking quirky weirdo, okay? I love me some puns. I meant to say I'm a freaking punny weirdo, but whatever. This is my trophy for pumpkin carving contest, 2011. Spooktacular. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys me decorating. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and decorate the room off camera. And then I'll show you guys me making the like wood and stuff on camera. And we'll do like a, you know what I mean? You see, okay?